Hello everyone, I Rahul Tripathi, faculty of MBA department from Technion Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on concept of customer value. So customer value can be defined as an incremental benefit derived by the customer from consuming a product for paying its cost. The term value signifies all the benefits being offered to the customers by the product. The equation of customer value is the difference between the benefits, sum of both tangible and intangible benefits, and the cost. Customer value is dependent upon the three factors, that is the quality, price and the service. The value of the product tends to increase with its service and quality as its benefit increases. On the contrary, the value of a product reduces with an increase in price. Now friends, we will be discussing about the various steps to create the customer value. So in this regard, we are going to discuss the 5 important steps. The step 1 is understanding what is driving value for the customers. So this can be known through research made by the surveys or simple conversations and analyze their actions and reactions. In this way, businesses can understand what is important for the customers and how they can create opportunities to the help. Second step is to create customer value is understand the customer value proposition. According to the equation, customer value is product benefit minus its cost. Determine what value your product or service creates, what is its price for them, and what ancillary cost of usage or ownership, what amount of time was served to buy or use the product. That comes in this step. Next step is to create the value is identify those customers where more values can be created relative to the competitors. Different customers have different perspectives of the value in comparison to the competitors based on their geographic vicinity. This can make a product attractive for a particular segment. Next step to create value is create a price which provides a win-win situation. Set a price which makes the customer feel they are being valued along with also maximizing your share of profits. Customers who are satisfied with value will many times be willing to pay more, whereas unsatisfied customers may even leave the product at lower price. So friends, last step for making or creating the customer value which we are going to discuss is make an investment on most valuable customers. Allocate sales force, R&D and marketing investments disproportionately within customers and segments where the product best serves and offers the greatest value. Additionally, allocating growth capital in new products will attract more customers. So friends, I hope you understand the concept of customer value. Thank you very much.